In this video, I will show you how you can change the featured photos on any iPhone. Now to change the featured photos on your iPhone, first of all, just open the Gallery app and from here just select the photo to which you want to change the featured photo. Now the next step is just tap and hold on each of the photos and from this pop-up menu just select Add to Album. Now just tap on the plus icon and create a new album. After you give a name to your new album, just tap on Create. Now just do this for all the photos separately. Now after you create an album for each of the photo, then just go to your home screen and tap and hold on the featured photo widget. Now just select Edit Stack. Now just tap on the minus icon on the photo which you want to remove. Now just select Remove. Then tap on the plus icon over here. Now just select Album. Then tap on Add Widget. Now just tap on the album widget and select Choose. Now from here just select your album. After that, just tap on the plus icon one more time and select Album. Now just do this for all the albums which you have created. Now as you can see, we have added the albums which we have created. Now if you want to, you can remove all the stacked widgets and you can only leave the photos. And once you're done editing your featured photo widget, then just tap on Done. And as you can see, we have successfully changed the featured photo widget on our iPhone, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.